We have cyclical routines that we need to do every day, such as dry mopping the floor, taking out the recycling, the garbage, and we used to track them on a checklist, and it would get scanned into this big long library, and we'd miss sign-offs on it, and this sheet had 200 boxes we had to fill out every week, and on top of that, it was tucked in the corner behind this board where no one could see it. So we decided to make an improvement and go to a Kamishibai board that would indicate whether a task has been done or not. But our board was missing something. It wasn't clear exactly how to do the tasks that were on this board. We upgraded to a newer and more robust board, and we put red and green on both sides of a card, and on the red side, which indicates that we're not done with the task, we put a QR code that jumped to a GembaDocs standard. The process for making these standards was so easy. We had people with not a lot of experience on computers making these standards in less than 10 minutes. Now sure, the tasks are simple, emptying bins, stocking podiums, but it's really important that we all do it the same way so we have a baseline to improve from. One easy scan of a QR code and you have instant access to a clear standard that can be used for training or referencing as we're doing these routines. And just like any process, even emptying a bin at the end of the day is subject for improvement. This standard has already had 5 revisions. This level of improvement is just not feasible without a tool like GembaDocs.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make standards fast and easy, visit GembaDocs.com or download our app on Apple or Google Play Stores.